Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting topic to discuss. How to make your eyes sharp. Whether you're a student, professional, or just someone looking to improve your vision, these tips and exercises will help you achieve better eyesight. So let's dive right in. Before we get started, it's important to note that while these tips can help improve your eyesight, they may not work for everyone. If you have any underlying eye conditions or concerns, please consult with a healthcare professional. The first step to sharpening your eyesight is to maintain a healthy lifestyle. Here are a few habits you can incorporate into your routine. Proper nutrition. Eating a balanced diet rich in vitamins A, C, and E, as well as omega-3 fatty acids, can promote good eye health. Include foods like carrots, leafy greens, citrus fruits, and fish in your meals. Hydration. Staying hydrated is essential for overall health, including your eyes. Drink an adequate amount of water throughout the day to prevent dry eyes. Regular exercise. Engaging in regular physical activity increases blood circulation, which is beneficial for your eyes. Simple exercises like brisk walking, jogging, or yoga can have a positive impact on your vision. Eye protection. Whenever you're exposed to bright sunlight or potentially harmful environments, such as construction sites or swimming pools, wear protective eyewear like sunglasses or goggles. Now let's move on to some eye exercises that can help strengthen your eye muscles and improve focus. Remember to take breaks and avoid straining your eyes during these exercises. Palming. Rub your palms together vigorously to generate warmth, and then gently place them over your closed eyes. Feel the warmth transferring to your eyes, and let your eye muscles relax. Repeat this exercise for a few minutes whenever your eyes feel tired or strained. Focus. Shifting. Find an object nearby and focus on it for a few seconds. Then shift your gaze to an object in the distance. Continue alternating your focus between the near and far objects for a few minutes. This exercise helps improve your eye's ability to adjust between different distances. Eye rolling. Look up to the ceiling and slowly roll your eyes in a circular motion clockwise. Repeat this motion 5 times and then switch to counterclockwise rotations.